Hi everybody, this is Jill and this is Jill for today. I am doing a product review today. The wonderful people from Comfee contacted me and asked if I would do a review of their juicer / sorbet maker. And I said, yeah, I'd be happy to. And I will say that, I don't care to do, product reviews unless I think they're a good product after I've tested them. And that's how I feel about this juicer. I've had juicers from very high end to very low end. This is a juicer I find to be smack dab in the middle, price point wise, but it's a darn fine juicer. So I'm going to bring you down and show it to you, and then we'll get started. Okay, here it is. And it's very compact and a pretty color, but it's compact. It has a nice dial here that shows you juicing, the sorbet feature, which of course I will show you. Has a reverse in case you get a little jam, and then a self-cleaning, which kind of helps everything just kind of get towards the very bottom so you don't have a lot of cleanup to do. So I'm going to disassemble this and I'm going to assemble it for you, and then we're going to start juicing. This is a really nice setup, and I'll kind of go through the parts quickly for you. Here's the juice container, and then this is the pulp, where the pulp goes. This is the sorbet device, and I'll show that to you. And of course you have your auger and the stopper, and this is the top, of course, that goes on where you feed. It's a feed chute, I guess is a better word. This is the juicing mechanism where your juice will feed out of that once it's been juiced, and this is the base of it, right? So I'm going to show you how it gets put together. Let's get juicing. I'm going to turn it on the juice mode. I have some kale, apple, carrots, celery, a little bit of lemon, and it's going to be a nice little cocktail. So I'm going to turn it on and we're going to start juicing. All right, here we go. It's very quiet. As I said, I've had some juicers that are so loud you won't believe it. And I'm just throwing this in randomly, and there you can hear it. You can hear it juicing that. Here goes some kale. It has a little stopper here. We can stop this in if we need to. This is one thing about this. I'm not sure I think it's a safety device. And it's not a great design, but it's all right. And there's a carrot. Right, we are going to take a taste of this. It's very clean. There's not pulp in there. It's been strained out very, very nicely. It's good. It looks beautiful. Wow, it's so good. That lemon in there really makes it zing. It's delicious. I taste everything. I taste the carrot, the apple, not much celery, but I don't like a lot of celery flavor, so that's good. The carrots certainly, and the kale, again, not a strong flavor. But the combination of them all, wow, this is good juice. And as I said, it's very clean, not a lot of pulp in there, and I see the director behind the camera wants to taste it. You taste it and tell me what you think. I think it's really good. See what I mean about clean? Yeah. Yeah,
that is good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Even with the kale in there.
Yes.
Well,
healthy.
It's like just wants to come out and slap you. It's so healthy. All right, we're going to finish this juice. I'm going to get the juicer all ready to do the sorbet, and we'll be back. I wanted to show you this before I started cleaning up. Look in there. There's no pulp. There's not a lot of muck and mud and down there. I mean, it is pure juice that came out of that, which is a really good sign about a juicer. I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, now we'll get started on the sorbet. Alrighty, we are back, and now it's time to make sorbet. So this is the mix I have. You know, it's one of these frozen berries. No sweetener in there. Just there's blueberries and raspberries and blackberries. You know, one of those mixes. So I'm going to turn this on to the ice cream mode, and I have switched out the blade to their ice cream blade or ice cream mode. And we're going to start bringing this through. Oh, there comes some already. It's really rolling now, isn't it? I'm going to stick my little tamper down in there. Oh wow, it's coming out good. Whew. It's coming out good. I'm going to break that off there. Wow, it looks good. The last of that fruit. Get down there. Get my stopper down in there. Oh, I don't need to even do that. Woo, it's taken off. It's got a life of its own. Wow. I have not tried this yet. We've not tried this function of it. So this is going to be really cool to see how this tastes. All right, I think, see if I get a spoon in there. Get the last little bit. All right, that's about it. I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to scoop us up some, and we're going to take a taste. All righty. It looks very nice. It really does. Very sorbet. Also, that's cold. Oh, wow. You know, it said you could add milk if you wanted more of an ice creamy kind of thing. I don't think you really need to. This is really quite nice. Sweeter? I don't know. It depends on your berries. It's so frozen. You want to try this over there on the other end of the camera? My head cameraman, you taste that. Tell me what you think. So what do you think? It's good. Yeah, it also said that if you wanted to add yogurt, so you have more of a, you know, a yogurt kind of thing, frozen yogurt. What do you think? That's pretty good.
That's good.
It's a nice way to use frozen berries other than in a yogurt or in a smoothie. Because honestly, I find frozen berries are really good, but you can't, they're hard to eat, like just a bowl of them. But this is good. Makes you want to eat them. Very good. Okay, so here is my overall review of the Comfee juicer. I think it's a very nice juicer. It's small, compact, well built, it's sturdy, it doesn't jump all over the counter when you're juicing. It is quiet. I've had juicers, you know, that are pretty noisy. And I think it did a fabulous job, especially on this ice cream. And you know, when I showed you the container that the juice had come in, there was no more fiber in there. There was no like little bits of vegetable. It was a very clean juice. So I find that to be a very nice thing. So it's on Amazon, and I think it's around $120, which I think is a pretty darn good deal for this juicer. Anyway, my overall is 2 thumbs up, and the cameraman said he also thought the juice was great as well as the frozen sorbet. So I think it's a win. If you want to check it out, you'll see it on my Amazon store. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Tell your friends, subscribe. If you have anyone out there who might be interested in seeing some wonderful food and reviews, let them know we're here. Take care now.
Bye-bye.